Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay, cool. We out here. What's good, man? Oh, damn. TRX? I haven't even looked at that one. I've been like so caught up with AMC. Holy hell. That's nuts. You know what though? Maybe with TRX I might be able to catch it later. If it's making moves like this, like more than likely I'll make a move like this, like in the near future. It's just gonna bleed or some shit. And you know what, dude? It might not even be too late. But if I'm looking at the daily chart. Yay. I just read your comment, though. Thank you. But yeah, man. And then, so this still might be good, honestly. Wait, why do I have stuff drawn on this already? Wait, what the hell? Oh, I must have been following this before. No, yeah, man. I honestly think this keeps running. It is better. Might be too loud. Here, let me check out the audio. It might be better. Here, let me check out the audio. It might be better. Yeah, honestly, man, like it looks like it's been bleeding for so long. The only thing that worries me is like there is gonna be levels of resistance you're gonna wanna watch out for. So maybe like that 21. I'll have an alert for it too. Yeah, I was watching this a while back, and cause I was waiting for it to like bleed and finish bleeding out. But I guess it's been a long time since I looked at this, and then yeah, it looks like it might be time again for that. But I don't think it's gonna be a quick move like before. Actually, it might be like this again, but yeah, it doesn't seem like it'd be terrible. But you're gonna want to wait for it to break like levels of resistance. So like you're gonna want to see it push back up here. But if also it looks like here, let's see. So if I pull this here, if I draw out the shape for you, if it makes this, you're golden. But you're gonna want to wait to see how that plays out. I hate that my background audio sounds so bad. Like the birds and shit, yeah. I'll fix that eventually. Back to AMC. Yeah, this doesn't look bad. Like, it's showing. You see how this shows its red candles here and everything, even though it's like it's starting to show green, even though it's red here. I mean, this shows to me that's gonna reverse. I think it might end up hitting like this wall up here though. Like these are gonna be levels of resistance we're gonna want to watch out for. Oh man, I'm gonna show you the CTRM chart. You know that pattern thing I was trying to figure out yesterday? That thing ended up pretty nutty. But I'll switch over to that right now, give me a sec. Yeah, check this out, dude. I mean, it broke out of it now. But remember when I drew this out back here? But yeah, I ended up extending the channel from when I drew it yesterday, right here. I broke it for a while, but then I just kept extending it and extending it and just kept riding it. I was hoping it kept doing this, but unfortunately it sold off. But this is now in a downtrend, so we're gonna want to be a little careful with that. So we're gonna need a clear break here, because if we don't get a clear break, like it's just gonna keep dipping. I might have already bounced here. We'll see. But now we got bounce levels of support. Let's draw a line there. Let's draw a line there. But yeah, man, like these parallel channels, they definitely like put in work. Envis. Oh yeah, and this ended up popping out around here. That's around when we stopped looking at it. This is when I got offline. I made like a big. Oh, this is weird. That's like kind of like a cup. I just kept running. Holy shit. So now I can actually extend this out over here. And you see how it's like doing the same price action in this area? It might even bounce from here and start running again. But I'm not too sure. Like this is definitely like another like it's like this point again, a point to watch. Cause let me look at this. Oh wow, 548. It looks like it's hitting this reversal. Honestly, dude, Envis doesn't look like a bad play. Like this might even be like a really long hold. Because it has potential. Like unless there's like some bad news catalyst. Yeah, it might be a new support area, but like that's why I said it's a point to watch. Cause you see this here. And it's been green this whole time right here, even though it's been like hella red. Meaning this is a really strong downtrend. So like it's a critical moment. So like this yellow box, usually when I make them purple is when I know it's gonna pop for sure. But when I don't know, it's when I do the yellow box because it's a critical point. And then kind of how like I have it here. Let me make sure I have this on my watch list, so I could just go to it real quick. Yeah, kind of how yellow box critical moment to watch. Can either get a nice small to large jump or dip further down to bounce on the line of support. So that's why I had this box back here, because I could have dipped harder or just kept running, and I kept running. And then yeah, it's back in that area. But like I said, because of everything I'm seeing and like the bull trap right here, that looks a little bull trappy to me. And it's starting to cross over into the red. I just see it dipping more. Like I don't know. Maybe it sucks that you sold and missed out on like the 30 run, you know. But like you're definitely sold at a point where like it's a critical moment, you know. So like it might not even be like that terrible. And we'll see, you know. We'll just keep an eye out on these charts. And then TRX, yeah, it's starting to do like move up a little bit. I think I might have drawn this a little too high based on the moves it's making. I might do something like this. But again, like with these shapes here, cup and handles, they're cool and all. But right here, I feel like it's gonna move and it's gonna move into this area. If it might just do the cup and handle and then run off, But if it doesn't, that's gonna be a critical point because here it's when it's gonna run off or dip, and then if it dips, there's gonna be lines of support. Yeah, man. Like honestly, I was watching Trey Trades. Like he's actually a really good YouTuber to watch as well. You know, you should check out his videos if you haven't already. But like he was always saying that it's better to like not like don't FOMO, you know, don't FOMO, like don't FUD, don't anything. Just like once you get a nice profit, lock it in and like be happy that you even got that profit. You know exactly how you're saying that you're happy with your return. And 65 is nuts, dude. So like that's great. You know, like I wouldn't feel bad about that at all. And then just tell me how the game is going. Name see search running. Yeah, man. Like a lot of these charts, like for example, you know how like AMC is running up here now, you know, like what was I gonna say? AMC, like I feel like you know how we're in this point of the chart here when it comes to caster, we're also at that point, you know, except it's just extended to a longer range instead of it being like this. It's more like this. But I feel like it's gonna have a similar move, you know. And I'm a little bit worried about it because I feel like it might consolidate here and just stay. But if it does, that's why I have this arrow here. So like I give it at least 3 days. Wait, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 5 days of consolidation before liftoff. But if we don't get that, like honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it kept going down. Maybe we tested um like 388, 25 cents, 20 and 15. Like those are the next levels of support. But hopefully we get that rise and we get to see old highs again. Lou, I haven't checked him out, but I've been seeing him pop up a lot more, like in random, like Reddits and stuff. So, like, I'm definitely gonna check him out sometime soon. I'll pull this back just a little bit. Because since it's doing the reversal here, it has a chance to go down like this. But I'm hoping we get like the sideways consolidation. But I'm hoping we get the lift off. And this needs to reverse sometime soon. This looks real bull trappy though. So I'm worried that this is gonna open back up. Oh. You know what? I'll definitely go through his videos then, especially if he's talking to about the bank stress test. Yeah, like I want to check that out. But yeah, that would make sense. Like I think that's why a lot of stocks are dipping and a lot of stocks are rising. looks real bull trappy. That's upsetting, but I mean, what can we do, you know? We just gotta wait and see. Dogecoin. People are not allowed to support. You boys have been upgraded. You stay yellow though. Yeah, this thing's gonna. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Like, it's showing a lot of red even though it has green here. So, like, it just. I don't know. This looks very downtrendy. Honestly, don't think it'll bounce there. I think it's more likely to bounce here. Wait, what the hell? There you go. So America? Yeah, I was looking at that. That thing's running. I was looking at that like right before the stream. Oh wow, I got hit hard. You know what? I think it's moving oddly similar to at least since market open, it's moved oddly similar to what do you call it? Castor Maritime. You know, too, man. Something that you might want to check out. I figured out as well. You know, going over the top loser chart, you might think, why would I want to do that? Yeah. But you can oftentimes, like for example, PTIX. I don't know a damn thing about PTIX, but we're about to find out. What the hell? These charts look wonky. This thing's gonna run soon, and then dip right down, but yeah, that was a weird example, but RV, right? Look at the daily chart. You'll oftentimes find nice reversals. This is chasing tail though, because this back candle is way too tall, and this is too short, so this is not a good thing to get into. But this is what I mean though, by finding this here. It's gonna bounce either here or here. A bounce here is also likely. But yeah, and then you can catch this on the reversal. So once it starts going green, it's gonna move green quick. And then like I almost guarantee you in a couple days you're gonna see this stock on a top gainer list. This stock here is RNWK. I'll type it up here. WK. No, yeah, like losers go up eventually. So that's why I like adding these to my watch list sometimes, because like once it bounces pretty hard. This one here, this is just gonna keep dipping. This here was a bottom reverse. It might show like two more red candles. That's a no-no. But yeah, that's basically what I mean. You know, you might wanna like check out top losers someday, like chart them out, and then see if they're showing some promise. Because if it is, then then it might be a potentially good play, and more than likely it might end up on a top runner someday. This might open them back up. This looks hella bull trappy. And it's already started. EXPR? Let me see. Yeah, you might be onto something here with EXPR. I'm not sure about the squeeze. I have to look more into that. But But yeah, it looks like it might be doing a reversal soon. It's already showing some green candles. It's basically what AMC was doing a couple days right before we had like the 10-15% day, you know? Like all these things are just like little trends and like they always somehow like connect, you know? And then yeah. And then we had a nasty jump. I don't think this jump is gonna be as volatile, but it's definitely gonna have a nice jump. Um, let me look into something else real quick about that. EXPR market B. EXPR. Sorry about that. EXPR. You know what? With EXPR, if it is gonna squeeze, it's gonna take some time, man. Because from what I'm seeing here, here, let me see if I can show you that actually. Um, Are you? I don't know if you guys can see this screen. No. Okay, you can't see now. Okay, so basically from what I'm seeing here is like if it is getting shorted a lot like you say it is, I mean it looks like they doubled down on the 26th, which is yesterday. So it's probably doing like something is happening here, you know. It kind of reminds me something about like AMC when we saw like the short interest like rise up and the short volume ratio on a day just like almost double, you know, like randomly. But the short borrow fee is really low, you know, and then like this is extremely low. I want to say like a short borrow fee of like 2.5 would be considered high, you know, and then anything above that is just like nuts. But like this is pretty low here. But yeah, and then let me see. No, but yeah, like it might be. Let me see. What is kind of looking cool? Let me try to rack my brain and remember this. EXPR. EXP. EXPR. And let me look at the ticker symbol for EXPR Express. You know what? It has potential. Yeah, 100% it has potential. Yeah, definitely, man. That's a good catch. I like that. Okay, let's go back to the first scene. Yeah, man, because like as I was going through the SEC, like the failure to deliver list, like it's kind of hard to go through it. So you could just like Control F it and type in the ticker symbol for what you're looking for. But but yeah, man, like it just seems like they have a lot of failure to delivers at the strike price being a lot higher, meaning like they've gone a long time without like actually delivering on those, you know. So like that being said, this definitely 100% has good potential. Yeah, man, 100%. And then it's find like this nice level of support here. Like honestly, I think I might even take a gamble and buy in on this because it's, yeah, it looks nice. It definitely looks nice. And then this looks like it shows red soon. I mean, it shows green. This indicator shows a dip coming, but this is like a bull flag. Um, this shows another rise coming. This shows a crossover on the way. Yeah, all in all, like the charts just look good, like they look good for it. This is definitely something I'd be willing to get like your hands on, and like it wouldn't be a terrible play. I honestly I didn't even know that was a store. Like the stock is the first that I'm hearing about it. But yeah, it's nuts, man. It makes a lot of sense. And I'm pretty sure if I look out to like the yearly chart on Express. Whoa, 26. That's nuts. That's nuts. Ooh, 4 hour on Express looks a little sketch though. You might want to let it get a hard break. No, yeah, you're definitely right on that, man. But yeah, the 4 hour chart looks a little scary for Express, but hopefully it just keeps opening up and rises, and then it gives it time for the MACD to cool down. That's nuts. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, this is definitely something to watch. Like, keep your eye on it, because it might make some good moves in the future. I'm just happy it didn't dip that hard from here. It bounced pretty quick. I might do a lot of sideways trading. Something's to come there. Okay, that's not too bad. If you bought it a week ago, you should be in the green on that. Daily 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so you bought somewhere around here, right? So you're sitting nice in the green. Yeah, that's cool, man. Yeah, sounds like from what you have in your portfolio, you got some pretty decent stuff in there. You got a good eye. If you definitely combine that with some like chart analysis, you'll be making some killer calls. DNN. Let's see. Good morning, baby. Damn, barcodes for days. Your phone? Okay. I got you, man. Yeah, anytime, like if I have my contact info there, you could like hit me up on Twitter, and we could like message each other if it's easier than just talking through here. Like and then that way I could just like take screenshots and just send them over to you or something. Like in case I'm not live streaming or you just need like a quick answer. And if I'm free, like I'll definitely like pull out my phone and just like take some quick look at it and then like draw it on or something. Yeah, Denison, it looks like it's gonna keep bleeding a little bit, but it might start reversing. But this looks very indecisive. But I think it's gonna start doing like more sideways trading, like a lot of sideways trading. Cause like these teeth don't look like they're opening or closing; they just look like they're like gonna, you know. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'll get you on IG. Yeah, yeah. That you would have for DNN. You definitely that'd be like a long time play. Like, don't expect any quick moves anytime soon. There's just gonna be a lot of sideways trading, and then hopefully, if you're not like unlucky. Nah, I mean it showed this green here. It had a nice rise, just sideways trading, and the next time it reverses, it might like just go like this for a while. But the next time, I do think it's gonna go up instead of down. Like I don't see this going down like more than it already has, because it's just been like on a steady rise. So just based off of that, like, yeah, yeah, this would be a good long play. Like, if you see red on it, like, don't get impatient, because you're definitely gonna have to wait some time. Oh, run it up. Let's go. Yeah. Uranium. I haven't looked too much into like the materials and stuff like that, but I always hear they're good stocks because instead of investing into like a company or like a crypto or whatever, you're investing into like actual like material, like I'm pretty sure you understand that a bit better than I do. Here, I'm gonna send you that follow request on IG. I think I might have found you on IG. And let me check out the BIGZ for you. For the BIGZ, did you buy in right at this bottom, around here? Or have been holding since like somewhere over here? You're in at 22. Oh, so you probably bought it on the top around here. This one here, you might want to be a little careful, just because you see this here, how it's showing a lot of weakness, and it has that like chasing tail, and then it seems like it just got rejected, And then the teeth, you see, look at these teeth here, like they don't look like they're about to reverse or do like a twist like this here, It just looks like it's gonna open. And so you might want to be careful. I'm not saying to like sell that right away or anything, but if you see it dip below like if you see it dip below 2111, you might want to worry a little bit, because then it might free fall a little bit more, or it might even just bounce off of there. So this is gonna be like an area to watch, because if it dips down to here and it doesn't show strength on the charts, it's gonna jump down to like the 20 range, and and from there you might see a rise, but it's a little worrisome. But unless the company has like really good financials, and then like either like a news catalyst or maybe a I don't know, like a lot of buyer sentiment, like through some like Reddit shit or something, you know. Like if it's got that going for it, then like it might keep running. But like honestly, if it doesn't, I wouldn't be surprised if it went below, if it broke below the 1976. Um, so like I just feel a little bit worried about this one, especially because like all of this. But you know what? Like here. This is really rough estimate, but based off like this little downtrend here, you see how it's like, oh okay, yeah, follow the money. I feel you. Yeah. Oh, if it's BlackRock, they should be fine then. But you never really know for sure. So just keep an eye on it. Like if it gets around this range to 21, like just be careful because it might dip like further below that. CTRM, it shows red, but I think it might actually bounce off this 540 line and then go on its way up. I think it's actually gonna ride this line that we drew out like a day or two ago. This here might keep this trend. I might need to extend this out. This 100% by this point of the day. Here, it's gonna keep going sideways, go up or down, or it's gonna jump like just somewhere in this box. It's gonna make that move. I don't think it's gonna make the move here. Part of me feels like it's not gonna happen here. I feel like we still get like sideways trading, and the reason why I feel that way is because like I was saying earlier, how it's showing this, but it's showing all this like it's rejection from this 1194, you know, and then based off that, like I feel like unless we get a real nice strong engulfing bullish candle, oh, I don't know. And then you're saying, what about Kinross? Let me check that out. Kinross. Kinross is about to dip. Yeah. They're, you see how it's showing this red here? And it's showing the teeth about to curve in. And it's showing red on the MACD. And then, yeah, it's just gonna dip, maybe to like 646, 619, 588. Those are gonna be the three price targets. And 702, these areas are gonna be the ranges for bounces, but they're definitely gonna like dip right now. Like just off the daily, they're just gonna keep going down. Yeah. And also, maybe we can even. I think it's gonna go back into this range here. This could have been a potential break, but it's not. Oh shit, yeah it is. Come here. Come here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I have my own dog. I have a husky. And then my girlfriend's got her own puppers. And then she also has a cat. That cat always be running around. But yeah, sometimes you'll see her like hop around on my desk or in front of my computer screen or something. Yeah, they're gonna keep coming down. Let's go though, AMC. Make me happy. Nice little bowl candle. Let's go. Hopefully it doesn't dip back down. I might just get rejected from up here. And then back down. Right from here. But maybe it just keeps running. That'd be amazing. Oh, that is a crazy ass mix. I like that though. That's cool. Mm. I hate when I draw these boxes and then it just breaks and I extend it and it just breaks way sooner than I expected. I guess cool that happens, but like I just wish I just had it specifically right in that box, and we feel better. Hold on, give me a second. I need to grab the pup. Okay. That's cool. Yeah, it's getting rejected right from that 12. Like, exactly like I thought it was. It's showing so much screen on the MACD, like it's time for a reversal. I really think it's gonna jump back down to maybe like that 1171 line. Maybe like around here. Like, I don't think it bounces here. It might, but like I think it's more likely to bounce off the 1171 100%. Manny. Yo, what up, dude? Do you like the new layout? The how I have like set up with the Spotify and the contact info and the little picture and the not a financial advisor strictly for it. I think it looks cool. I like my setup now. I feel like I don't even have to get like a layout, honestly. I think I might start streaming right now. I've been streaming for a while. Yeah, I don't, right? Like, I don't feel like I do either. I like how it looks. I like it a lot actually. The only thing I don't like about it is how maybe there's like the white line on the chart. Um, but other than that, it's like whatever's. But hey, look at that. That's cool. AMC running it up. Let's go. I think I'm gonna get off for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. And then I'll probably be back for aftermarket if I'm awake. Yeah, if I'm awake, I'll for sure do aftermarket. And then maybe tomorrow around 6:30, maybe like 6:20, I'll start streaming again. But my contact info is there for like anyone interested, and then yeah, you could direct message me, Lou. You already have my Instagram info, so if you have a question on a stock or anything, you just hit me up, and as soon as I see that, I'll let you know what's up. And then you can also do the Discord too. That makes things easier for you. But yeah, like have a good day, and good luck with your stonks, man. All right, peace later.